Wow, I think that was it. This is it. The very last Samurai Jack episode. The finale is all over. And I mean, wow, it's been 13 years since middle school, and and oh my god, it's what was it? My sixth and seventh grade that I watched the first episodes, and that was when he first fought Aku, and oh my god, everything was just coming back. The finale has the majority of allies, but not the Shaolin monks, because I think the Shaolin monks were taking care of or handling themselves, and then and some of them are not there. Especially the baby from the Jack and the Ogres. And that one is like I don't know what happened to that. Anyways, it's just well, I don't have anything else to say about the last episode tonight. And yes, I'm hearing it from the television, so yep, you're seeing it right now. Well, darn, it's just I like I like today's I like tonight's episode initially. So much emotions are flowing over me, and it's I mean the um it was it was a grand finale. It ends up with a bang, and he let's just say that he finished with his he had finished his journey, and that was pretty much it. And you know what? It actually reminds me of Nia from Gurren Lagann. That's kind of she reminds me of. It's a holy nuts. It's so true. It's Simon and or Simon and Nia. Yeah, that's kind of true. Oh my god, I can see why. I can see a connection right now. It's just yeah, and yep, that's it. The world without a coup. As, uh, oh, oops. So I say I'm not gonna say any more spoilers because it's everything else was just pretty much the Jack and the allies versus Aku and Aku. Yeah, it just pretty much it. Yeah, it is to me some kind of a Goran Lugan finale. It ends with a bang. 13 years ends with a bang, and yeah, and I'm gonna have to end this right now before I. Oh my goodness! I pretty much yep. Well, that's it for me. I don't want I can't not say any more spoilers about the finale because everybody's trying to upload on YouTube and and stuff like that. Well, that's it. Nerds, nerdettes, and potakus. I would have to say this with that finale. Back to the present. Samurai Jack. Tune on Adult Swim.